Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take a trip down memory lane with the homemade version of the classic Coffee Bite Toffee. If you are a fan of those nostalgic treats, you are in for a real treat. So first let's make the coffee milk solution. So into a bowl add some coffee powder with some warm milk, mix it and keep it aside. Into a parchment paper, apply some melted butter or ghee, spread it nicely and keep it ready. Now let's start the preparation. Into a pan, add some butter and melt it. Once the butter gets nicely melted, add condensed milk. Here I kept the condensed milk in the refrigerator, that's why it's slightly thick. The condensed milk is going to give our toffee that creamy texture and flavor. And here comes the coffee mix. The coffee not only adds that signature flavor but also gives it a little kick of caffeine. Perfect for those afternoon pick-me-ups. When the toffee mix becomes thick like this, turn off the flame and do a water drop test. If the mixture turns into a soft ball consistency like this, the mix is ready. Transfer that onto a parchment paper and start folding it like this until it becomes slightly shiny. You can see small shine on top of the dough. Now place a buttered parchment paper on top of it and start rolling. You can cut this into the coffee bite shapes. And with the knife here I'm giving that classic coffee bite stripes on top. And there you have it. Our homemade Old Coffee Bite Toffee is ready to be enjoyed. When you take the first bite, that delicious coffee flavor will melt in your mouth. Just like the ones from my childhood. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy the nostalgic as much as I do. Thanks for watching.